Hello and welcome everyone. This is Manish Pandya, SVP Digital at TaskUs. Today I'll be talking about automation for the front lines. A little bit about our company, TaskUs. We are the fastest growing tech-enabled business services organization. And today we have over 20,000 employees. So why did we decide to focus on RPA? It helps us align with our frontline first strategy and improves the team experience directly with, with task automation. Secondly, it helps eliminate the need for teammates to navigate multiple systems in the day-to-day work. Thirdly, it helps us in our quest for hybrid and cognitive automation strategy, which is part of our end-to-end automation. It will also help us lower the burden on our client IT teams as we go through the automation pieces. It helps us reducing the impact on training. As tasks get automated, those tasks don't need to be trained for. It helps us creating a reusable stack of solutions so that we don't have to repeat the same automation programming again. And finally, it helps us achieve better margins. And here's an example of how we looked at end-to-end solution. And this is an API-less solution. Typically, when we get into automation, we see there's a need for client engagement, utilizing APIs with complex systems and so on. By leveraging hybrid automation and the help of cognitive, we are able to eliminate this completely. In this example, what you see is that a typical BPO agent or a frontline team member in our case would be able to interact with the systems on the client side without having to have API integration or any kind of automation directly enabled with them. So they are interacting with an bot that we put together on our side that triggers an unattended automation on the client side. And based on the outcomes, it can utilize a workflow to get the final results. So this is our approach to our end-to-end automation, which covers attended, unattended, hybrid, as well as cognitive pieces. So the question comes, why did we decide to work with Automation Anywhere? So TaskUs is a cloud-first company. We were born in the cloud, and we work with clients that are disruptive. They are cloud native. So when Automation Anywhere came to us with a solution that was cloud-based, which is the Cloud A 2019 solution, we obviously jumped on it. And we have experienced that it is super easy to develop solutions on the latest version and utilize the cloud setup. Also, it has aspects of bot store that we plan to use in the future, not only leverage what's out there, but also contribute to it. Automation Anywhere also provided us an ability to realize our end-to-end automation strategy. As I mentioned earlier, attended, unattended, human interaction, cognitive, and of course, human in the middle that comes along with the cognitive. Plus, Automation Anywhere provides us a high level of security. And it was super easy for them to pass through our rigorous standards for security internally and for our clients. It also provides us a finer level of control on the access levels. So now we can assign different access levels to our teammates and also define new access levels if we have to. Last but not the least, it also has helped us realizing our dream of having citizen. Very briefly about the outcomes that we have been able to achieve so far. First one is faster. What we have seen is that with the first series of bots that we put together, we were able to move really fast. Each of this bot solution was developed in less than 1 or 2 weeks each. Secondly, it has helped us become more efficient as bots allow the frontline and the workforce team experts to refocus their time on the business aspects and reduce time spent on repetitive tasks and alerting the operations about events. Thirdly, it has also improved the satisfaction amongst our teammates.